Voila! Hello back! Welcome back, my agents. Sorry about last episode. I cannot make an intro for the life of me. I tried my best, so I'm sorry. But as you know, in the last episode, we were a window cleaner. And we just cleaned and cleaned. We had a scorpion ball. I cleaned and broke a window. Then I shot a guy numerous times. And then I saved 2,600 people or something? I don't know. I probably killed a bunch in that explosion. But there's no time to waste. We have a deep dive to do. Shut up! Music's so annoying. It's good, but it's a bit.
Your next mission will take you to the beautiful Caribbean. But this is no vacation.
Ooh.
I already told you we can't afford that. You'll need to destroy Zor's top secret submarine. But don't count on using an escape pod. We find those things at the bottom of the ocean all the time. The people inside are usually pretty dead.
I'm not supposed to. Bam. I guess we might as well just start. So, how are you doing, agents? Oh, wow. Well, I guess you lied to me, but...
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod. An explosion has just...
The first 5 seconds, and I just already died, man. Wow. Close that. Alright, so that stopped.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod. An explosion has disabled primary function.
Yeah.
This is an emergency. Please start engine manually.
What? Well, should probably use that? Yes, cool.
Hull secure.
Cock. Cool. That work? That didn't work. Ayos, Dio. Ayos míos, man. No, should probably leave that.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod. An explosion has disabled primary functions. This is an emergency. Please start engine manually.
Alright, so it's all...
Hull secure.
Alright, so now I can take that out. 3 of them.
Hull secure.
Self-destruct abort mode. That's gonna be useless. Do I put that in there maybe? Yeah, I probably have to stop that so that it doesn't flood anymore.
Escape pod drained.
Right. So, I'm out of fuel. Gonna need that. So, I mean, it's a little bad, but still good for my taste.
Please remember to ration your rations.
Also, by the way, I am standing up while doing this, so it's easier to, like, access things. So, I could probably use this to put that there. Then open the fuel. Catch the fuel. Close. Cool. Oh, it's gonna take a long time. Here I can move. Then if I just do that and let it run, then boom! Got it open. Don't know when that would be useful, but times will come. That will feel.
Engine running.
I have a bit of stuff. Alright. Why aren't we moving? Oh. That's it.
Wasn't that easy?
Yeah,
The
it
engine
was.
is in engaged and we are starting our set. Just sit back and relax. System malfunction. Structural integrity failing. Hull secure. Warning. Engine overheating.
Overheating?
No leaks detected. Would you like to vent oxygen?
No.
Venting oxygen. Oxygen level self-destruct in 90 seconds.
Self-destruct.
Enter override code to board.
7 turned out to number. Set Q band if odd. So Q band 7. Did I just pull? Right, 2. So I'm assuming that is C band 5. Q
5-digit code required.
8Z.
Self-destruct aborted.
Oh god. Can I open this now and get some air?
We hope your
Our
escape pod
communications are
experience
back
was
online,
a pleasant
Agent.
one.
Signal us
Please
to let
gather
us know
all
your
your
location.
belongings, open the hatch above you, and signal your rescuers. Have a nice day.
Oh.
Sit back and relax. Escape pod drained.
My right controller died. Seems like I have to do all of this with one controller now. Alright. Do that. Boom. Get you. Bam.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zeraxis escape pod. An explosion has disabled primary functions. This is an emergency. Please start engine manually. Escape pod drained.
Let's get this up. Right, got that.
Hull secure.
Let's get that. Put that there for when we need more oxygen. Boom.
Hull secure.
That sent. Right, I'm going to.
Wasn't that easy? The engine is engaged and we are starting our set.
Engine's
Just
gonna
sit
start
back
overheating.
and relax. System malfunction. Warning. Engine overheating. Structural integrity failing.
Engine is not
Hull
overheating.
secure. Would you like to vent oxygen? Venting oxygen.
Alright, there we go.
Self-destruct in 90 seconds. Enter override code to board.
7 Q 2 Z 5 Q 3 Q 8
Self-destruct aborted.
And then do I use that
Our
gun?
communications are back online, Agent. Signal
We
us to
hope
let
your
us know
escape
your
pod
location.
experience was a pleasant one. Please gather all your belongings, open the hatch above you, and signal your rescuers. Have a nice day.
Wait, don't tell me I just... Wait, yes, right, this one.
Ah, there you are, Agent. We thought we'd lost you to the wilds of the Caribbean.
I don't
We're approaching your
think
position
I'm gonna
now.
be able to do all of the things. Because I don't have my right arm. I just skipped past as much. Wonderful. Yeah, I got...
The coordinates you transmitted from the sub before you gave it the old TNT Tata point to a hunting lodge in the Alps. Well, don't ask me why submarine coordinates. I couldn't even begin to understand it.
So that's gonna be just a quick and easy episode, sadly. It's probably been... I don't know. That's what you want to say. Normally I would fill up episode time with mission accomplished souvenirs. But I can't, because I don't have my right hand. So... that's all you're gonna hear from me. See you, agents, in the next life. Peace.